Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in Fewer Than Two. Would you pay for Facebook or Instagram just to not see ads? I know people for years have said they would do it, but would you actually do it? That may be possible, as Facebook may be building apps that would be ad-free for the EU, Instagram, Facebook, and assumedly Threads when Threads gets to the point where ads jump into the feed. You know it's coming. It's right around the corner. Come on, it's Meta. What else are they going to do? I mean, I hope it doesn't happen anytime soon, but I got to tell you this. And I realize this flies in the face of convention, but I'm unconventional. What can I say? I wouldn't necessarily pay to have an ad-free experience on Instagram or Facebook. Why? Because I'm telling you, it knows me so well that most of the ads that I see on both of those platforms are Star Wars. I'm not exaggerating. I've discovered products from brands I didn't even know existed that I have purchased because of ads, more so on Facebook than Instagram. But their targeting is so on point. They know. Probably because most of the accounts that I follow are Star Wars related. It's not so much what I'm sharing, it's what I'm gesturing. And I don't even like a lot of things on Instagram or Facebook. But thank you for liking this video. And wherever you're seeing it, commenting and resharing and whatevering. But yeah, I've just made myself Star Wars oriented enough that I fit that demographic. So no, I would not pay to remove ads from Facebook or Instagram because right now, I'm seeing more Star Wars in my feed. What's not to like?